Did you know your credit score can decide whether you get approved for a house, a car, or even a credit card? And the difference between a bad score and a good one could cost you thousands of dollars in extra interest. But here's the good news. Improving your credit score is not as hard as most people think. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple ways to boost your credit score fast, even if your score is currently low. Part 1. Always pay your bills on time. The number one factor that affects your credit score is payment history. It makes up about 35% of your total credit score. That means even one missed payment can significantly damage your score. So what should you do? Set up automatic payments for your credit cards, loans, and bills. Even paying the minimum payment on time is far better than paying late. Consistency is key. If you start paying every bill on time, your credit score will gradually improve. Part 2. Reduce your credit utilization. The second biggest factor is something called credit utilization. This simply means how much of your credit limit you are using. For example, if your credit card limit is $1,000 and you spend $900, your utilization is 90%. Experts recommend keeping it below 30%. Even better, keep it under 10% if possible. A quick trick to improve your score is paying down your credit card balances. As your balance drops, your credit score can increase quickly. Part 3. Don't close old credit cards. Many people make this mistake. They think closing old credit cards will improve their credit score. But in reality, it can actually hurt your score. Older accounts help increase your credit history length, which is an important factor. So if you have an old credit card, it's usually better to keep it open, even if you rarely use it. Part 4. Avoid too many credit applications. Every time you apply for a credit card or loan, lenders perform something called a hard inquiry. Too many hard inquiries in a short period can lower your credit score. So avoid applying for multiple credit cards or loans at the same time. Instead, apply only when you actually need credit. Part 5. Check your credit report. Sometimes your credit score drops because of errors in your credit report. This happens more often than people realize. You should regularly check your credit report and make sure all the information is correct. If you find mistakes, you can dispute them and potentially improve your credit score. Conclusion. Improving your credit score doesn't happen overnight, but if you follow these simple steps, you can start seeing improvements faster than you think. Just remember, pay bills on time, keep credit card balances low, avoid unnecessary credit applications, and always monitor your credit report. Small habits can make a huge difference in your financial future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tips about money, investing, and financial freedom. And comment below, what is your current credit score goal?